Hi friends, welcome to the concept syllogisms part 5. In this video we can discuss about only and only a few. Very important concept. First of all, see the related terms of all and some. Suppose all A's are B's. All related keywords are each and every. All A's are B's is equal to each A is B, and that is equal to every A is B. And suppose take some A's are B's. Some related keywords are few, a few, little, a little, most, more, at least, at most. All these are some related keywords. Suppose some A's are B's, means a few A's are B's or few A's are B's. At least some A's are B's is equal to some A's are B's. Don't get confusion. All keywords are related to some. Now coming to only and only a few. First of all, let us discuss about only. Very important. See the statement only A is B or only A's are B's. This is a statement. This is equal to all B's are A's. Only A is B means all B's are A's. Only A is B is equal to reverse all. Okay, all B's are A's. And there is a condition. Suppose you draw Venn diagram. All B's B. This is for A. All B's are A's. This is equal to only A is B. But there is a condition. This B can never make relation with anyone. Means there is a fencing. Okay. This B can never make relation with anyone. All B's are A's and no one else is B. For suppose if you take direct statement, that is all B's are A's. Not only A's is B. All B's are A's. Direct statement, normal statement. Then what is the diagram? Same. This is B and this is A. Okay. In this case, there is no condition. This B can get a relation with some other circle. But here, this B can never get a relation with anyone. That is the difference in between these two. Okay. For suppose some C's are A's. Some C's are A's. In conclusions, there is a conclusion. Some C's are being B's is a possibility. Some C's are being B's is a possibility. That is wrong. Actually, we can draw this C here. Okay, like here. Some C's, this is some part. Some C's are A's. That is true. But here this B can never make a relation with anyone. But here C and B interacted. This is intersection part. That is false. But here some C's are A's, C, and same conclusion. Some C's being B's is a possibility. Then I can draw that C circle here. Some C's being B's is a possibility. That conclusion true in this case, but not in the only case. Now coming to only a few. Only a few is equal to only few. A makes no sense. Only a few is equal to only a few. Statement only a few A's are B's. This is a statement. Here a few means some. But what about only? Only a few means some plus Only a few. Okay, see, a few means some. Some A's or B's. This is one statement. Only a few means there is a some not also. Some A's or not B's. These two statements together gives only a few A's or B's. Means here, remember this, only a few equal to some plus some not. Some plus some not. This is very important. See, first question, only mobiles are computers. Here only mobiles are computers means reverse all. All computers are mobiles. All computers are mobiles. And condition is this computer can never make a relation with anyone. Some mobiles are laptops. Some mobiles are laptops. This is intersection part. Third statement, some laptops are desktops. Some laptops are desktops. For suppose see here, this is a desktop. Basic diagram. Conclusions. All mobiles are laptops. All mobiles are laptops is false. Second one, some computers are not laptops. Yes, because this computer can never make a relation with laptop and with desktop. So here some computers are not laptops is correct. For suppose there is some computers are laptops. Conclusion, then that is false because computer never make a relation. And some laptops being computers is a possibility. That is also false. Because this computer makes a relation with this mobiles only. Because what is the statement? Only mobiles are computers. This computer can never make a relation with any other one. All computers are mobiles. No one else is a computer. That's why here some computers are not laptops is true. Some computers or laptops is false. And some laptops or computers is being a possibility is false. So answer for this question is the second one. That is some computers are not laptops is true. Second question. No Jan is Feb. This is January. No January is Feb. Some Feb are March. Some part. This is March. Third one, all March are April. This is April. Fourth one, only a few April are May. Only a few. Some plus some not. That is equal to only a few. Only a few April or May. This is May. And some part of April are not May. Some April are May and some part of April are not May. That is only a few April or May. This is basic Venn diagram. Now see conclusions. Some May are March. Some May are March. That is a definite conclusion. May and March, there is no direct relation. So we can't say. First one, false. Second one, some April are not May. Some April, see, some April are not May. Yes. See here, a few means some and some not. Already explained. Some April are not May. So second one, true. Third one, all April being May is a possibility. All April being May is a possibility. That is definitely false. Why? All April being May is a possibility. possibility. Here, some April are not May because of FU statement. Then, why should apply possibility? All April being May is a possibility. That is false because some not is there. That's why third one is false. Answer for second question is only 2 follows. Now see third question. No apple is mango. Apple, mango. No condition. Some mangoes are banana. This is banana. Some mangoes are banana. Only a few banana is grape. Only a few means here some and some not. Grape. This is grape. And some not. This part is not grape. All grapes are fruits. All grapes are fruits. This is fruit circle. Okay, basic Venn diagram. Now see conclusions. First conclusion. Some banana are not grape. Some banana are not grape. Yes, true. Some banana are not grape. Second one, all banana being fruit is a possibility. All banana being fruit is a possibility. Yes, I can draw entire banana in this fruit. Suppose see here, this is banana. Some part of this is not grape. Okay, that is true. And we can make this mango here. We can draw this mango and we can draw this apple here. Statement violation not occurs. So, second one true. All banana being fruit is a possibility. Okay. All banana being grapes is a possibility is false. Why? Some banana are not grapes. But here all banana being fruit is a possibility. That is true. Now coming to third one. Just erase this. Third one. All grapes being bananas is a possibility. All grapes being bananas is a possibility. Yes. That is true. All grapes. We can draw this grapes circle in this banana. This is a grape. All grapes being banana is a possibility. Okay. Third one, true. But not all bananas being grapes is a possibility. Okay. All three are true in this case. I hope you understand this concept only and only FU. And only FU is same as only few. Do practice a number of examples from different books. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you understand this concept, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.